The question is now, find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, we are given x square plus y square is equal to a square, or y is equal to plus minus square root for a square minus x square. Now, we have to find area of whole of the circle. Equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. It means coordinates for a, point from 0 to a is a comma 0 and 0 to b is 0 comma a. Now, area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of the region is equal to area of the region A O B A, area of the region A O B A bounded by the curve x-axis and ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to b. Sorry, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Now, circle is symmetrical to x-axis and y-axis even power of x and y. Now, area shaded portion is equal to 0 to a y dx. Now, area of AOBA is equal to 0 to a square root for a square minus x square with dx. Now, since area of AB is in first quadrant, therefore take y as positive. Now, integrating this one, x a square minus x square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a from 0 to a. Now, this becomes a square root of a square minus a square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse a upon a minus 0. Okay, and this is equal to now a square upon 2 into pi by 2 sine inverse 1 is equal to pi upon 2. Now, area of circle is equal to 4 times area of AOBA. And what is area of BA? AOBA is shaded portion. Now this is equal to 4 times A square upon 2 with pi upon 2, and this is equal to pi A square. Hence area of the enclosed circle with x square plus a, hence area of circle with equation x square plus y square is equal to a square is equal to pi a square. This is the answer.